Today we're going to learn how to make this highly requested chicken curry, and here you are. Prior to starting on the stove, cut the chicken into cube-like pieces, then wash it with turmeric powder, which is the authentic method of cleaning meat. Begin on the stove by heating some oil, to which you will then add the mustard and fennel seeds, allow it to pop, then go in with the onions and some salt. When the onions begin to brown, add the bay leaf, panda leaf, garlic, then ginger, stirring between each addition. Next, add the chicken along with the remaining salt and stir well. After about 2 minutes, you can add the soy sauce. This adds some color to the dish and further flavors the chicken. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Next, you'll add 2 cups of water and cook for an additional 10 minutes. Now you can go ahead and add the curry powder to your preferred spice level, continue to cook for another 10, then come back and add spicy meat powder and the curry leaves, then remove off the stove. You can serve this mouth-watering dish along with some rice, puttu, idiyappam, or dosa, your choice to enjoy.